Hello and welcome to a new episode of People's Watches. Today we're going to review this Seiko 5 sports watch with the yellow dial, a beautiful yellow dial. Take the cushion out, take these aside. Okay. First of all, the reference number is SRP745J1. J1 for the Japanese edition, and the K is the Malaysian edition. First of all, we notice this lovely yellow dial with the Seiko brand and the 5 logo resembling the Seiko 5 Sports. Automatic 24 joules, 100 meters water resistance. Thick indices, black chapter ring, a black contour around the indices, thick hour and minute hand, a lot of Lume bright on them, arrow shaped second hand. Okay, I had the crown pulled out at the hacking position. As we said, automatic, hand winding and hacking functionality. A lovely yellow dial. Rotating bezel, bi-directional rotating bezel. No clicking, no 60 clicks, no 120 clicks. I guess because they made it bi-directional, they did it like this. I don't like it like this. I don't know what they call it. It's without clicking, it just rotates, slides on the case. Indications of the north, south, east and west, I don't know why. Plus these numbers, I don't know why either. Date complication. The case is stainless steel. I noticed that it resembles it looks like the Seiko Samurai a little bit. Polished here, brushed on the upper part and polished on the side. It resembles the Samurai from these edges at the top and at the bottom. The bracelet is, as we know from Seiko, not very good quality. Folded links, hollow end links, miserable clasp. Oh my god, Seiko. Scissor clasp, very thin, low quality stainless steel. Micro adjustments on the clasp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 micro adjustment positions on the clasp. The crown is not signed, it's push-pull, not screw-down. At the 0 position we can hack it, we can hand wind it, sorry. At the first position, let's change the hour till after 3, between 3 and 6, always between 3 and 6. Okay, so first position, change the day, the date, as we said, push-pull crown not signed, and see-through case back. The movement is 4R. I think you can see it from here. 4R36A. The Seiko brand on the case back, stainless steel, etc. Let's see it in the dark. Okay, here we go. Charging, charging, charging. Okay, voila. And this is the Lume bright of Seiko at night. Lovely, thick indices, a lot of lume on the hour end, minute hand, and on the top of the arrow-shaped second hand. Let's take some measurements. Okay. The width is almost 44 millimeters. The height is about 50 millimeters. Thickness is around 13 millimeters. The lug width is 22 millimeters, and it tapers down to, let's see how much, 20 millimeters. This watch is available for sale. I listed it on Chrono24. I'll write a link in the description down below. If anyone wants to have it, he can or she can. Okay. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.